In this video, we will discuss corridor surfaces. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file corridorsurfaces.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D makes it easy to create a surface once your corridor is created. Zoom into your corridor model and go ahead and select it. Navigate to the Modify Corridor panel and let's go ahead and click on Corridor Surfaces. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add an entry for your corridor surface. We'll go ahead and click in here once and type in Road 1. You can give it a style if you'd like to, and a render material as well. Now the two types of data that you can add to your surface are basically within the corridor model. You can add feature lines or links. Let's first start with the links. Once you select that data type, Civil 3D interrogates the corridor model and tells you, hey, you have these links that you can add to a surface. For this one, let's make a top surface, so all we want is the top code. This will then add in all the links that have that top code definition defined in them. Click the plus sign, and now we have it. If you want to tighten up your triangulation a little bit, you could add these as a break line as well. And if you want to make sure that you get all the top links, if you are picking the top link code, you would pick top links here. Just like if you were doing a subgrade surface, you would make sure you pick the bottom links as well. Sometimes Civil 3D will not triangulate exactly as it should because the triangulation isn't tight enough based upon the frequency at which you modeled. What you can do is you can actually add in the feature lines, for instance in the curb areas. So I'll add in the back of curb, we'll add in the top of curb, and we'll also add in the flowline gutter. This way it'll tighten up the triangulation through the curved areas of the alignment where there's curb and gutter. Next, let's make sure we add a boundary to the surface. This way it'll get rid of any erroneous triangles as we go around the curves within the alignment. To add a boundary, simply right-click and choose Corridor Extents as Outer Boundary. Note that you can do this interactively if you wanted to pick individual feature lines, or you could do it from a polygon if you wanted to. We'll click Corridor Extents as Outer Boundary, click OK, rebuild the corridor, and there's our surface. Press Escape to clear our selection set, and let's go ahead and select just the surface. Let's take it into the Object Viewer, and as you can see, we have a nice tight surface with all the features that we wanted to display within there.